So we are going to share the weekly newsletter. So log into your Windermere HUB. We're going to go to the work site. Up at the top in the blue tab, Active Pipe. On the left-hand side, there is this slide-out menu, Emails. Come over here, Create Email. Back to the left-hand side, Shared Emails. Select that. And then we're going to select the most recent newsletter. So first we're going to save up here at the top right corner, and that's going to add it to our emails. And now that it's saved, we can edit any point of the email. You can customize it. Want to check your subject. This is what your client will see, and this is what you will see. And then now that we've saved it, we've done our editing, share. And in this drop-down menu, quick send. There are two options here. One is to choose your recipient, and the other is your date and time. So you can select a group or a tag, as ActivePipe calls it, and maybe it's your email list, or maybe it's your buyer's list, or you can choose select all. Then come down here to your date and time, schedule for a specific time, or schedule immediately, send, and it's out. Thanks for listening.